The washer dryer is located in the kitchen next to the cooker. Just open up this door. It's located here. If you find that if you push the on/off button here, top right, it doesn't come on, it means that it's off at the mains, and if you look just to the left of the sink, there's a button here. Turn this on, and then you will then be able to turn on the machine. To activate the machine and select the desired program, you just turn this dial, which then will highlight which program you wish to use. This is a washer dryer, so you can wash clothes and then have them immediately dried afterwards. There are some preset programs, such as you can do a 5 kilo wash and it immediately sets a drying cycle following this. This page shows what the machine can do and what is recommended and what isn't recommended. So please refer to this if you're not sure what program to use with the clothes you're putting in there. To use the machine, we provide pods that go into the machine and they're located underneath the sink, and you just throw these in the machine and that's all you need, and it will be enough to wash your clothes. So on the machine you can change the temperature by pushing this button, and that will highlight the desired temperature. If I keep pushing it, it will change the temperature to whichever you desire. You can also change this spin speed depending on what program selected. Some will allow it, some won't. Now, if you're doing drying, you can then select how dry you wish it to be. So iron dry, got a 30-minute cycle, 90 minutes, 150 minutes at the end for drying, or then you've got the preset extra dry, cover dry. It all depends on which one you wish to have. When you want to start the machine, you just press start and then it will start the machine. If you wish to add fabric softener, then pull open the drawer and you put it into the right side here.